Question number 1. Which organelle in the cell other than the nucleus contain DNA? Which organelle in the cell other than the nucleus contain DNA? Mitochondria. Beside the nucleus, DNA is also found in the mitochondria. Chloroplast of which is a genetic material and carries the same symptoms and of the creatures to descendants from the apparent like a horoscope. Question number 2. Which one of the following statement is correct? तो इसका स्टेटमेंट सी, मतलब ये वायरोड्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड आरएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स. इसमें देख लेते हैं. प्रायोन्स आर अ स्मॉलेस्ट प्रोटीनसियस infectious particle. Mycoplasma is a genus of bacteria like of cell wall around their cell membrane. Viroids are the smallest infectious pathogens known, consisting of the circular single-strand RNA without protein coats. They are mostly plant pathogens, some of which are of the economic importance. Rickettsia is the genus non-motile, gram-negative, non-spore-forming, highly pleomorphic bacteria. Then they have cell wall. They have cell wall. Pleomorphic bacteria, they have cell wall. Question number 3. Which one of the following statements is correct regarding the general difference between plant and animal cell? Plant cell have cellulose cell wall which animal cell do not. Or 3. Mature plant cell has one large vacuole whilst animal cell has many small vacuoles. Plant cell has large vacuole और एनिमल सेल में बहुत सारे स्मॉल वैक्यूल्स होते हैं. क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट है, प्लांट सेल हैव सेलुलोज सेल वॉल विच एनिमल सेल डू नॉट. प्लांट सेल सेलुलोज होता है, एनिमल सेल में सेलुलोज नहीं होता है. तो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है, सेल वॉल इज फाउंड इन द सेल्स ऑफ प्लांट्स which is made of cellulose. It provides the cell a structure, support, protections, and a filtering mechanism. Animal cell lack cell wall. Thus, a statement is incorrect. The plasma membrane is a biological membrane that separates the interior of the cell wall, interior of all cells from the outside environment, which protect the cell from its environment. Animal cell as well as plant cell have plasma membrane. A vacuole is a membrane-bound cell organelles which are enclosed compartments filled with water-containing organic and inorganic molecules. Most mature plant cells have one large vacuole, while an animal cell contains over several small vacuoles. Question number 4. How does the plant cell differ from the animal cell? Mitochondria, cell wall, presence of protoplasma. यानी कि सेल वॉल डिफरेंट हो. एनिमल सेल में सेल वॉल नहीं होता है और प्लांट सेल में सेल वॉल होता है. A plant cell differs from animal cell mainly in the basis of the cell wall. The outer cell is the plant cell which is made of the cellulose membrane, the known as cell wall, which is not found in animal cell. Question number 5. What is the found in animal cell? Cell wall of cellulose. ये सेल वॉल एनिमल सेल में नहीं होता है. सेल वॉल ऑफ सेलुलोज नहीं होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. विच पार्ट ऑफ एनिमल सेल इज सेलुलोज पावर हाउस? Mitochondria. Animal cell and plant cell both contain cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. The nucleus has two major functions. It stores the cell heredity material or DNA, and it coordinates the cell activities within cell. The mitochondria as a membrane-bounded organ found in most eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria range from 0.5 to 1 micro in diameter. These structures are sometimes described as the powerhouse of the cell, as they generate energy. Cellular respiration. The initial process takes place in cytoplasm and then in mitochondria. Question number 7. Which one of the following organelle is called powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Powerhouse of the mitochondria. Question. Plasma membrane is built of. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन बिल्ड जो होता है किससे बिल्ड होता है? चिटिन और लिपिड, प्रोटीन और लिपिड से. प्रोटीन और लिपिड से. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज बिल्ट ऑफ प्रोटीन और लिपिड. The cell membrane, also known as plasma membrane, is a biological membrane that separate the interior of the cell from the outside. It is the composed of two layers of the phospholipid and embodied with proteins. Which of the following cell organelles play the most significant role in protein synthesis? Endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is named as such because its outer membrane is lighter than the ribosome. They are responsible for protein synthesis. The cellular and molecular control for programmed cell death are known as the cellular molecular control of programmed cell death are known as apoptosis. Apoptosis process of molecular control programmed cell are known as apoptosis. Apoptosis is the process of programmed cell death (PCD) that may occur in multicellular organisms. Apoptosis plays a crucial role in developing and maintaining the health of the body by eliminating old, unnecessary, and unhealthy cells. Question number 12. One term that generates the maximum number of ATP atoms in our systems. Krebs cycle. One term that generates the maximum number of ATP atoms in our systems. Zooms. Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is a cycle of enzymes catalyzed reaction in living cell that is the final stage of the reaction of aerobic metabolisms of carbohydrate, protein, and fatty acids. Due to this, carbon dioxide produced, oxygen is reduced, and ATP is formed. Krebs cycle generates the maximum number of ATP atoms in our systems. In a eukaryotic cell, the citric acid cycle occurs in the matrix of the mitochondria. This cycle is discovered by the Hans Krebs in. This cycle was discovered by Hans Krebs in 1937. One term that generates the maximum number of ATP atoms in our systems. Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle.